Hello everyone, let's glue book. And my Christmas junk journal. I have my scissors, my pack of cutouts. I don't see it, but it's over here somewhere. What else? And my glue. Okay, last year I showed these and I said, oh, I was going to glue on them and glue on them and glue on them, and I never did. And this year I'm going to play with these. I don't know how long this session will be, but we're going to play in them today. This is my junk journal I did with the Christmas junk journal challenge. So real quick, this is product packaging, you know it. Ooh, and it's asking to be finished. And I put I was going to add some more. This is construction paper, and I was going to add some more to give it some more weight, but I don't think I will, because I don't think I'm even going to finish this year. And you can look at the completed flip through. Did this 3 years ago or 4 years ago. Completed thrift show. I'll link it above. And this one too, and same thing. I don't think it's, yeah, same thing. I never gave a flip through of this one. This one is not complete. I have to do some more on this side. I have, you know, painted papers, construction, multicolored construction paper. I think I started this right after I did this, because I still had that construction paper, because otherwise I would have just used the multicolored, I would just use paper cardstock. So here we are, little Christmas music and painted papers. I think I mixed vintage and contemporary things in this one. I'm just all over the place. What one? Which one do I want? I have to. Yeah, this one. I'll show more on this one later. I think I'll play in this one today. Okay, let's play in this. No, or should I play in this one? We'll see. Maybe both. I don't know. Let's see how far we go, because I'm expecting the phone to ring again. You know, last session, or whenever I get that session up, it messed me up. There you go. I don't even know where I'm going to begin. Let's just get started. Let's start playing. The Christmas journal, right? Right. He said, let's get started. I don't need a twin. Oh, don't you hate when you're expecting a call and your weight. Okay, he wants the twin. That's the second time I pulled him out. Then here he goes. Here he goes. Okay, and there that goes. Oh, I don't want to twin him. I like this too. Right. He wants to get in here first. Yes, I am all discombobulated. We got something done in my blue book. So I will talk to you in the next one. I might keep going. So we'll see. We'll see. But for this one, we will rest it for right here. And oh, I see somewhere where I want to ask her. No, 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 no. Okay, I came in and just added some little dots to pull it all together in my paint. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.